Managing your SendX subscription is super easy. Need to download an invoice, update your payment method, or check what you're being billed for? You can do it all in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through how to manage your SendX subscription step by step, so you can stay on top of your payments and keep your campaigns running smoothly without any billing hiccups. Go to your SendX billing page. Click on Upgrade Now in the billing section. Select the contacts plan of your choice here. I wish to start with a $9.99 per month plan. Ensure the monthly billing interval is selected as monthly or yearly. Click Upgrade Plan to proceed with the selected plan. You will be redirected to the payment page. In the payment section, click the three-dot menu next to the MasterCard credit option. Select Add a new payment method from the payment options. Click Cancel to exit the payment details form. Press the Subscribe button to proceed with the payment. In the Team Billing section, a notification confirms that the payment has been received and the subscription is being activated. The notification in the Team Billing section indicates that the plan will update automatically. To download individual invoices as PDFs, click on View Invoices. See itemized details for both your core plan and any add-ons. Click on the invoice you wish to download and select the option to download the invoice. The total monthly cost is displayed as $9.99 in the Team Cost Overview section.